fashion here, and I am on the saw. I have a few rocks over here that we found during yesterday's rock hunt, and I want to see what's inside of them. Cut into a few of these guys and see what they look like. This one turned out really nice. Look at that beautiful red in there. I wish I were in the sun so you could be able to see it a little better. Alright, here's the next one. This one is super heavy. I think I'm just going to take maybe this back part off since it's already broke a long time ago here. I'm just doing some exploratory cuts for right now to begin with. I'm not sure yet. I might cut it this way or this way. I don't know. We'll see. Alright. I cut first one a little too close when I tried to just face the end of it so I could see what was in there, and it crumbled on me. So, cut number 2. Beautiful dark brown, tan, cream. I'm going to say jasper. Looks like maybe some little black dendrites there in the bottom right. Almost looks like there's some banding starting there. Let's see if I can get that sun. Can't see it. I'll get some close-ups so you guys will be able to see them. Alright, let's pick another one here. Let's go with this one. This one looks interesting. It's got a break at the end there, but it's large enough that I can cut right across there. Straighten up that break and take this end piece off. Let's check it out. See what it's got inside. Darn, I went way left field. I didn't cut it down there, I didn't cut it back here. I just went ahead and said, you know what, I want to cut this back piece here so I can see all the way in. I want to see what's going on in here. And check this out. Isn't that pretty? Get that sun just a little bit. Maybe I can zoom in from over there. Let's see what this camera can do. There we go. Get it wet again so you guys can get a look. It's got some red and brown on the left there coming in, and it's got some, I don't know, there's been a white mineral there, some I don't think it's quartz. It kind of looks like chalcedony, maybe. Maybe some chert. Super cool. Usually when I cut these, they're a little more, there's a little more red in them. This one is a little more subtle. See that pattern on the top there? Alright, let's go grab another rock. Alright, next victim. Got some nice mineralization going on the top here. It looks like it's showing, I'm seeing like red in different areas, like, yeah, you guys probably will see it there. Like some jasper trying to come through. I'm pretty sure this is going to be like, maybe a sandstone, leadstone, something like that. Sedimentary, of course. Top's got quite a bit of weathered there. So I'm hoping, you know, that lets all kinds of good stuff in when it's weathered like that. All kinds of goodies seep in there. So I think I'm just going to rip this right down the middle so I can see what's in there. I wanted to know what was inside. I really thought there would be something. All that color I saw on the outside. There's nothing to see. There's a slight little bit of red coming in here. A hint of it here, a hint here. I was going to go right down the middle, but it was a little too thick for my saw, so I had to go down here. And even then, as you can see, it was too thick and ended up breaking at the last minute. I think I caught Mother Nature in the middle. I think this might have been shale turning into slate, because it's super heavy and it's really hard, but it doesn't quite have that tink tink sound. That's my guess anyway. Oh well, they can't all be awesome. Alright, I'm pretty excited about this one. You could see the texture here on the top. You see that? And then you see that big layer right there? It does go down into, you know, a circle like this. Alright, I'm back. Of course, my battery died again. I'm a bad habit about not making sure it's charged before I start. So then I'm right in the middle of the video. Doop, dead battery. Alright, here's the last one. Nothing too spectacular. Definitely pretty. It's like maybe some, I don't know, sandstone or whatever, mudstone maybe. You got some white cream going through it up at the top. See those lines on the top? I guess they were just that backfill or maybe an impression fossil. But it didn't look like it was an impression when I looked at the sides here like this. So maybe that's why I got, you know, this kind of good design up here at the top. Oops, get in the frame. Like the feel up here is more silica, and then down here it feels a little more like sandstone. Oh yeah, it was a little disappointing, but that's okay, it's still pretty. This was one I just wanted to cut just because I was curious. got druzy all over the top, and it looks like maybe a partial fossil. And it feels like satin. It's got some, you know, just some stuff going on there. So I thought, well, I'll just cut it in half. Super soft. All this is weathered and about to break right here. But then right here, oh, let me get it wet again. It already dried. Got the fan blowing this way. See at the top there? That white coming through. Alright, next up, this is another super cool one that I found on the hunt the other day, and the battery died, so I didn't get the rest of it on camera. But I want you to check out this pattern on here. Hopefully it'll come across. You guys see that? Oh, look at that hummingbird just came right there. It was like right there. Did you guys see it? I'll have to rewind it and watch it, see if it came up. Like how close it came up anyway. There we go, the sun's hitting it a little bit. You see that? Like a leaf kind of pattern, feather, something like that, going up and down. And I see some east and west banding in here. It's not going to show for you guys. This side got all kinds of goodness going on. So, I'm hoping this mineral here goes all the way through. Oh yeah, the light's hitting it there. Isn't that cool looking? But just wait till you see it. See that. I'll take some good pictures of it so you can see it. Even light, so you'll be able to see it. Alright, let's check it out. Oh my god, which way do I cut this? I've been looking at it for 10 minutes, I don't know what to do. I think I'll just be safe and just cut that way. This has that same stuff on the end of it as that other rock I did earlier that was really pretty inside. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do. See a little hatch pattern there. Oh well. YOLO. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This has got to be the best rock that I've ever collected myself personally and cut. That's freaking awesome. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Hope you didn't get to see it when I just did that. I'll have to rewind it, delete it, and then do it. Okay. This the one that has that line. So, oh, you got a sneak peek. There's a circle right here. And this is that same kind of top on it. That pattern. Get this wet so you guys can get a good look at it. It's so cool. Alright, here's the end cut. Look how awesome. Look at this. Oops, slipped on her tongue. It is so pretty. Look at that. It's like all these sunset colors, like red and orange and yellow, and then it's like beautiful brown. It's like a, I think it's hematite. It's like a almost burgundy, and then he's banding up here. It's white with pink and red floating through it, and brown. Look at that. Okay, so there's the end cut. I'm so excited. I swear this has got this pattern has got to be the best one that I've, like I said, ever collected and cut. You ready? Oh yeah. Look how pretty that is. Okay, let me get over here in the sun. There we go. It's like white and yellow and red right there in the middle. And it swirls in there with the white and brown. Look at that. It is freaking awesome. Look at that. Look at tiger stripes on the top, and I see all kinds of images and paintings and valleys and sunsets, and that is just awesome. And that's dry now. Now it's dry. I just keep staring at it. It is freaking awesome. I believe it's a concretion. I think. Especially with that circle right there. They tend to do that, and then they'll mineralize in the middle. You know, minerals will seep in there and fill them up. I believe that's what happened here. I believe. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Oh yeah, that's definitely cut of the day right there. Alright, now I'm gonna do this one. So I can get it in the sun for you. Really pretty banded chert. I mean, it is so silicated, it's agate looking. Banding running that way. Well, I take that back. I'm looking at it, and I was looking, seeing which way I want to cut it. And I started looking at the top here, and it looks like there might be a fern. You guys see that right there? I think I'm not going to cut that one. Alright, we're going to cut this one instead. This other one that I found. Piece of chert, I believe. This one, see if I can get it. On the left there, it's got, looks like maybe some cork going through it. It seems to be running through it. I see some going across on the top there. Alright, cut it off. And I was expecting it, of course. I had another little break. These always tend to do that on me with those when it has like a mineral vein going through it, like quartz or whatever. They're really easy to break right there. Look how pretty. Beautiful gray and blue. Look at that. Look at the banding in there. Get it wet for you. Look at that. Isn't that cool looking? This angle is not giving it any justice. Super pretty. It's really light gray, and then it fades all the way to dark. I had faced it, did my exploration cut, and I wanted to cut it again because it is awesome. I wanted a slab of it. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful sunset colors. Look at that. It's got yellow and orange and purple, and I mean, it's just awesome. I didn't get a slab of that because I want to polish it and see how it looks. So I know it's going to be beautiful. But just like that it is, so. Let me see, that sun's kind of washing it out, huh? Here we go. Alright, well, my clock is telling me, yep, the sun's starting to get past those trees, guys. I am done cutting for the day. I've got to clean up my mess of rocks here that I made.